Hi everyone, and welcome to a special edition of our XPR Network Step-by-Step series. In today's video, we're going to show you how to cast your vote on a proposal from the DOGE Community using the XPR Governance Platform. Now, the DOGE Community is a special governance group. It's not focused on token or protocol mechanics, but rather on broader social and political topics. I won't go through every detail and requirement today, because we've already covered all of that in our detailed step-by-step tutorials. So, if anything seems unclear, you can find videos for each step in the XPR Starter Series playlist on my YouTube channel, everything from setting up your WebAuth wallet and account, completing the KYC process, transferring tokens from external wallets, swapping, and staking. Alright, let's jump right in. Our account has already completed the KYC process, you can tell by the black checkmark here. We also have tokens in our wallet, XPR, MetalDAO, and Loan, which can be used as voting power in different communities. But for today's example, all we need is a verified, KYC'd, account to cast a vote. Important. Your voting power depends on how many tokens you hold, but voting itself is always completely fee-free. When you vote using the KYC strategy, each verified account counts as one vote, no matter how many tokens it holds. Now, let's head over to the XPR Governance Platform and open the DOGE Community section. Here, we can see there's currently an active proposal that we're going to vote on. Important note. I'm not here to evaluate or promote this proposal, or to suggest how anyone should vote. This video is purely to demonstrate the voting process in action. We can see that this proposal uses the KYC strategy and basic voting, meaning every verified account has exactly one vote. Here, we can also see how many accounts have already voted, the current voting results, and that the voting period runs until December 12, 2025. After reading through the proposal description and its purpose, we can now cast our vote. We want to support this proposal, so we'll click Yes. Here, we can review our voting choice one more time, then click Confirm, and sign it using our WebAuth wallet. Since only we control the keys to our account, it's guaranteed that we made this decision. And because KYC verification is required for voting, it also ensures that only real people, not bots, are taking part. In the overview, we can now see how we voted, and if we go back to the proposal, our account will appear in the list of voters. If you ever change your mind during the voting period, that's no problem at all. If I click Yes again, I'll see that I've already voted that way, but if I switch to No, I can update my vote anytime before the deadline. And that's it. Super simple, and as already mentioned, voting is always free and gasless. So, go check out the XPR Governance Platform and get involved. Be part of shaping the XPR network, and through the DOGE community, even take part in social and political decision-making. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if, when staking your XPR, you select my block producer, Bloxprod, as one of your 4 BPs. That helps me run the servers in the XPR network and also keep producing these videos for you. See you next time, your XPR block producer, Bloxprod.